Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the event and meeting minimum requirements. This saves wasted effort. Once you confirm the Mummy Panda spawn window, equip the required items, 3 bandage tokens, 200 coins, and 1 potion slot, and position yourself in a high spawn zone. You should join a party or nearby hub that boosts spawn rate by about 20%. Move into the spawn area and stay mobile. Simple standing still wastes the timer. Follow these opening actions immediately to trigger the encounter reliably. Once the spawn is triggered via the ritual or mini-quest, prioritize controlled engagement. You want to weaken rather than kill. Use low damage skills and time your crowd control so the capture window stays open. If the Mummy Panda has a stun or slow phase, capitalize on it. Apply your mummy trap item within 10 seconds of stun for the best success rate. If playing with others, coordinate. One player tanks, another times the trap, and you secure the final hit to keep the creature capturable. After applying the trap and completing the capture sequence, verify instantly that the Mummy Panda pet or coupon appears in your inventory. Redeem coupons within 24 hours to make the pet permanent. If capture fails, don't panic. Reset the instance, rejoin a boosted spawn hub, and increase your luck stat by at least 10% before trying again. Make sure to clear nearby mobs that steal spawns, and if the pet despawns, note the spawn timer and return precisely. When it resets to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.